Okie dokie. On the bench today, Total Carnage. So I'm going to save the other separate soundboard with the other board, and we'll work on this complete unit here. So let me remove the fun stuff. Let me get it laid out. Let me get it hooked up, and we'll see what's going on. Okie dokie. We got it all hooked up here. Let's flip the switch. Let's see what we got going on here. So everything looks all right. I don't see anything like terrible. Uh-oh. Wow, that's not good. That's not good at all. Oh, the hell? Yeah, that's not good at all. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Yeah, that's not good at all. Okie dokie. I didn't see that coming. Did you? I wonder if we got bad RAM. We could have this. This could be bad as well. There's a few things that can cause this to go bad. I mean, this could be bad. That would suck. But okay, let me look over everything here. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna unhook all this crap from it. I'm gonna start just with the board here. Okie dokie. So, per the schematic, U53 here, which is a PLD, seems to be mapped to U99. Sorry, I hit the button by accident. Stop button. Right? So, if you look here, this is I pulled U53 off this board. And because we've got the Smash TV one, I'm like, you know what? Let's, instead of, really digging into this, let's just swap this real quick. Right? I think it maps graphics data a little differently, right? But... Ha! Okay, so I think that's what we're talking about, where it maps the graphics data differently, right? But U99 is okay. I believe so, right? And that's, I don't know if it's gonna, will it still boot? It might. I'm not sure. You know what? Yeah. See. That's it's working. It's working for sure. That's just mapping the wrong addresses, right? So I do believe that the other Total Carnage board should have one. So let me swap that out. Fuck, does that ever look a mess, eh? So let me swap that out with the other one from the Total Carnage and see if that works. Well, that's not good, is it? It's missing. Whoops. Okay, so when I contacted the owner of the Smash, well, all of this, he said, should I ship the other security PLDs? And I said, no, I think I should be okay. Well, no, we definitely need them because that, yeah, I don't even know. I can't even start on these without them. I'm definitely going to need them. I don't have any blank ones to make new ones, so yeah, I think we're SOL on that one until I get them. Okay, so I grabbed the other board. This one's been capped too. I do see some crap happening. I mean, whatever, right? Yeah, that's got to be gone through again. I don't know if we're gonna get any sound off this one or what. Again, it's gonna be all messed up because of that, but just to hear a bong or something, just to hear anything out of it would be nice. You gotta excuse my furnace. It gets cold down here in the lab. I don't know if we'll be able to tell right away or not. I mean, as soon as I put a quarter in, should be able to hear something. I would think. Again, I don't know if the addressing is bad that way or. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. I'm gonna call that okay. So the other board is having an issue then. Yeah, this is fine. I mean, obviously that's this. I mean, it could even be the U52 as well. I wonder if I should swap that over. Anyways, General Akbu or something? Hilarious. Okay, let me shut that down. Okay, let me grab the other board and I'll hook that up. Okay, so I got the other one hooked up here. Just gonna double check, make sure we got nothing. I mean, I've had these go bad. I don't know if I have another. Oh, I believe I do actually. Again, we can check that. We can check this. We can check that. Fuck, we could even check the security one here as well. Shit, it could be any one of these. Could be the amp. Could be the corrosion. Could be anything. Yeah, okay, so we should have sound. We don't. Okay. So that is for sure. That is for sure toast on this side. Okay. So we'll concentrate on this and see if we can't get anything up and running. Okay, so I haven't gone completely through it yet, but what I do notice is I'll have to check the other soundboard just to verify. This right here. See that? I highly doubt that's supposed to be shorted to itself or to the other component there. So let me just put you down here for half a second. Find where that is. Right here. I know you won't be able to see much, but let me just come in here. Let me just tap that real quick. Okay, that is no longer joined. Give me 2 seconds. Let me hook this up. Okay, so I got it all hooked up here. I gotta remember I can't run it long because I had to take that off. But yeah, so it was literally just that one that I see so far. I don't believe that's supposed to be joined together. Oh, fuck, right away. Did you hear it? Like I said, I can't run this long because I don't have heatsink on it. We already know that's going to happen because of that. But we should have audio on this one. I mean, I heard the bong. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, hurry up. Another bong right here. Come on, give it to me. No? Yep, boom. Audio? Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay, yeah, she's getting warm. Yes, 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 yes. That one little tiny, unbelievable. Okay. Okay, so okay, give me a second here. Let me put the heatsink back on here. Give me a second. Okay, all back together. Let's just verify our work. Make sure we're okay. I hear a bong. Can you believe that one little short was causing the issue? And that's hard to see. It was definitely hard to see. Sorry. That was hard to see. Now, let's make sure we have proper volume control as well. Let's make sure we're actually good to go here. He already sent the other chips, so I won't even bother showing you that. We know what's going on. Okay, so do we have volume control? Yes, yes, we do. Yes, yes, we do. You know what's weird, though? I wonder if we've got a different pot here. We do. That's what's... You know what? What value is that? I don't believe this is the right value. You know what? Hang on one second. I'm going to grab the other one off the... Hang on here. Give me a second. Okay, so first things first here. With this, that's some wild work. That's not even soldered on. Right? And the shield here, the shield goes nowhere. Shouldn't it be here? I mean, I don't know if Total Carnage has that, but why wouldn't it? I don't know. I mean, why even have it soldered here if it doesn't go anywhere? But first things first, let me get that figured out, because that is some, like I said, that's some wild work. I don't know who the hell did that, but we'll get that figured out. And then we'll get figured out the shield here. Because I do believe it's supposed to be there. It looks like I got some more looking to do. You see that already? There's another one. Now, I know it's not... I mean, it doesn't look like it's touching, but it very well could be. It doesn't look like it from that angle. Let me back you... Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. Let me back you out here. There's definitely something still going on here. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I'm pretty sure this board should be able to go full mute. Again, it could be this. It could be this. That's... Yes, I fixed that, by the way. So, it could be just this. I don't know if I have... It's probably a 5K pod, or I should look it up to see exactly what it is. As a matter of fact, let me do that right now. Let me take care of this, whatever the hell this is going on here, and let me see if I can't find a pot that's matching this. Okay, yeah. So as far as I can tell, yeah, that is the wrong pot, but that's no big deal. Who cares? And actually, this is a 3D printed. It looks 3D printed. You'll see that? Yeah. So anyways, yeah, that's the wrong pot, but I cleaned it all up. And I mean, it's not that bad, right? If he wants to change pots, he can change pots. I don't have a 50K pot, which sucks. I don't know why I don't, but I don't. But I mean, we have sound, so that's what matters. Like I said, if he wants to change pots, he can change pots. And I guess this version of the soundboard doesn't use the shield. I wasn't aware of that, so we're just going through, but just doing one more test here. I guess you don't need that, eh? There we go. So I mean, that's not a bad volume when it's low like that. You know what I mean? And then it does turn up. You know what I mean? So that's actually not a bad volume. So yeah, okay. So we're gonna call this a win. We're gonna call this a win. Again, he can change that out if he wants to. So yeah, that'll do it. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.